So here on page number 82, you have this exercise activity. You have two columns. In one column there is a part of sentence. In another column there is another part of sentence. If you see the between part, what is written in the between part? Look into your book. But in the between line there is a word written, but you have to connect this sentence with that sentence using but. So I will read first one, second one as example for you all so that you understand and you can do it your own. First one is, she was tired. I said, look at the books. She was tired, but she finished her homework. She was tired, but she finished her homework. Second, she wanted to buy a car. She wanted to buy, look at your book, where is your book? She wanted to buy a car, but she had no money. She wanted to buy a car, but had no money. He was angry. He was angry, but he did not fight. Generally, what happens when you are angry? You become quarrelsome. You start what? Scolding, shouting, using abusive word. You become impolite. But here, what is it saying? Who became angry? He was angry, but he did not fight. He did not know the answer, but he did not copy his friend's answer. He did not know the answer, but he did not copy his friend's answer. It means exam was going on. He did not know the answer. He is an honest boy. His friend was sitting next to him. His friend knew many things. His friend has prepared very well, but he did not know. But still he did not copy. Why he did not copy? Because he was an honest boy. He was honest. He was practicing honesty. Next, they did not have money, but they lived happily. They did not have money, but they lived. But they happily. They were living happily without money. With small amount of money, they were compromising. They compromised in a small amount of money. Next, he did not read the book, but he knew the story. There was a book. There was a story in it. He had not read the book, but he still knew the story, what was inside. Now you start writing. You start practicing writing. Writing the book. Oh, start.
Okay.
Okay, can you tell me first one sentence? Just make one sentence by connecting the two sentences by using the word God. First one, you read first one. First one.
She was tired.
But
She had no money.
I am not satisfied with your sentence. You can. Wait, now let her say.
She was tired, but she finished her homework.
She was tired, but she finished her homework. You tell one.
She wanted to buy a car. She had no money.
There is bird. You have written the word bird. Yeah. Okay, you tell.
She was angry, but he did not fight.
She was angry, but he did not. He was angry, but he did not fight. Yes, okay, good. Last sentence by that girl.
He did not read the book, but he knew the story.
Yes, you have to always use the word but to connect one sentence with another sentence. I did that. Now, up and at it. Up and at it मतलब up and at it का मतलब होता है चलो लग जाओ काम पे शुरू करो. Just